In this tutorial, I will show you the pulse response of a CMOS inverter. Basically, I will be applying a pulse input that I have introduced in the last lecture at the input of the CMOS inverter, and I will see the output. So this is the CMOS inverter that we did earlier. So now my V in is basically a pulse source, and I am observing my output here. So because it is inverter, so it should be opposite of the applied input source. So let's go to this CMOS inverter VTC. Let me open it in LTspice. So open CMOS inverter VTC. My V in is now between in and 0, and it is of type pulse. So let me just copy and paste, because this is the pulse that we are applying here. Let me do that. No, text. So this is pulse. Control C, and see Control V is working. Well, it's working. So this is the pulse that I'm applying as an input to my CMOS inverter, and model that I have selected is default. My VDD, or the supply voltage, is 5, and that's why the input pulse is also going from 0 to 5. And this is it, and I don't need to have this because I'm going to do transient simulation, because you can see again that this horizontal axis is time, and whenever this is time, I need to perform what? A transient analysis. So dot tran, and now for how much time I need to perform, so at least I will perform up to 30 milliseconds to see the complete pulse. Because it is periodic, so I will see 3 time period of this waveform. So let's do it up to 9 milliseconds. 3 3s are 9, and let's file save as CMOS inverter tran and save, and let's hit the simulation and see what happens. Press Ctrl A, press V out, and press Ctrl A, press V in. So you can see the inversion here, right? And I have already shown you how to introduce yet another pan, and let's put this V in over, and this is my V out. Okay, so this looks like a very wonderful characteristic. So when input is high, output is low. When input is low, output is high, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can perform the transient analysis of a CMOS inverter and see its output. So thank you very much.